Good morning, Internet friends. This is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm working on a project that's a whole new house, and I've got this situation where there are transom windows all over second floor. And my issue is that I typically like to put is with the window labels. You see the transom windows here. Very good. We'll go back to plan view. I like my window labels offset from the dimension lines so that we don't have this situation here. And to start off with, what I'm doing is I've got the transom windows. Let's go back to rendering elevation. Do you know about the levels that the Windows has as an option? If I double click on this lower window and I click on options, vertical stacking levels. By default, my templates, and I'm assuming yours probably are as well, are on level 0. The transom windows, go to options, are on level 1. Now, when you let's just for giggles right now, copy this window, paste it here, and I'm going to open that and change it to level 1 here. So you can still see the label, but the window itself is kind of turned gray, while this window is black. This is on level 0. This is on level 1. Now, to change this gray to black and this black to gray, I'm going to open the default window options by double clicking on the window icon, going to options and default, changing the level to 1 here. And now I've got the different level is highlighted. So if I put a window beneath this transom, the original transom here, that's now on level 1, remember, because the default is level 1. And let's go back to the, oh yes. Let's turn off notifications for right now. I forgot that. We've just got an awkward situation here. There we go. It really doesn't matter. Like it doesn't. The levels don't make necessarily level 1 is above level 0. It's just a defined situation, because this one's level 0, and this one below is level 1. It's just a definition, if you will. And this is also level 1 up here in the middle. But when you have these stacked on top of each other, I'm going to delete these windows here. When you have them stacked on top of each other, it's nice to control which one you're seeing and which one you're selecting and moving, and which one you are going to, well, I guess it's really selection, which one you're going to adjust. So I'm going to go back to level 0 here. And when I'm on level 0 in my defaults, I'm only going to select, when I shift drag, I'm only going to select the windows that are on the default level right now. Right now it's 0, so I'm going to select only the lower, in my model, the lower ones are on level 0. So I'm going to hit Command E on my keyboard, or if you're on a PC, you'd use Control E, and I'm going to adjust the X offset of the labels to 12 and click OK. Now the lower level labels are offset down here to this W09. The upper label levels are still in the center of the window. Now to select those, I'm going to double click my window defaults and go into options, level 1. Now I'm going to only select level 1 windows when I shift drag. and I'm going to Command E, go into Label, and I'm going to offset 12. Now if I left it like this, they once again would be on top of each other, so I'd only see one label. I want to bring it down and over. Okay, so X offset 12 and Y offset, I'm going to go minus 24. And now they're stacked. So it's kind of a unique situation. Don't have transom windows a whole lot like this. I'm going to go back to level 0 so I see the lower level as black like I want to. It also affects the doors. Interestingly enough, doors don't have a vertical panel, a vertical stacking option, but it still affects them for some reason. Doors just, if your window stacking is not level 0, then your doors will be gray. That's why my default windows are on 0. So I hope this has been helpful. A unique little tip to move the labels to select the windows that you want. You don't have to do vertical stacking. You can definitely enter the numbers or move them in 3D to where it's on top of the windows are physically on top of each other in the model, but then you don't have the control of which windows you're selecting when you do that shift drag option. I've done both ways, and this is one reason why it's really helpful. Just kind of keep the vertical stacking just kind of neater, I guess, and cleaner. I hope this has been helpful. As always, subscribe if you like these videos, and you'll see my videos, and hit the little notification bell. You'll get notified each time that I upload these. I try to do it every Tuesday. Check out my website, www.designbuildsolutionsllc.com, for more information, and as always, have a good week.